Hi, first grade friends. Today we are going to be talking about exclamatory sentences. We will identify exclamatory sentences because there is an exclamation point at the end. This is important so that we can become better writers. First of all, an exclamation point or an exclamation mark is a sentence that shows excitement. Whoa, cool, wow, no way. Those are sentences that show excitement. You can show strong feeling with an exclamation point. We have been talking a lot about feelings. So remember your feelings we've been talking about? Worried, sad, scared, mad. All of those sentences can end with an exclamation point. Sentence that shows strong feeling is called an exclamation. Say that word with me. Exclamation. An exclamation begins with a capital letter and it ends with an exclamation point. This little thing right here. Look at this sentence at the bottom. It says, Mark lost his first tooth. I wonder why they put an exclamation point at the end of that sentence. Well, how do you feel when you lose your first tooth? You're pretty excited, right? So if you are showing excitement, you need to put an exclamation point at the end of your sentence so the reader can be excited when they read your sentence. Now today we're going to look at some exclamations and we are going to find the exclamation in these sentences and circle it, okay? Let's look at number 1 together. Pablo got a scooter. That sentence ends with a period. It's just telling you something. There's no strong feeling. We are just saying Pablo got a scooter. Now look at the next one. It says, I can't wait to see it. Now, did you notice the difference in my voice when I read these two sentences? That's right. I showed strong feeling. I showed excitement when I read this one because of the exclamation point. The exclamation point shows excitement or strong feeling. For each of these sentences, you are going to find the one that ends with an exclamation point. You're going to use the pencil on your iPad and circle the sentence that is an exclamation. Then you're going to click Save and turn it into your teacher. Okay, let's review what we talked about. We learned that exclamation marks or exclamation points are sentences that show excitement. Whoa, cool, wow, no way. And they also show strong feeling. So if you are mad or happy or excited, you can end your sentence with an exclamation point to show strong feeling. We also need to remember that an exclamation is a sentence that begins with a capital letter and it ends with an exclamation point. Then you're going to circle all of the sentences that are exclamations. They begin with a capital letter and they end with an exclamation point. Got it? Okay, have a good day. Bye.